guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to do MCQs on GST, that is Goods and Service Tax in Indian economy. This session having 30 plus MCQs, so watch the complete session guys. And yes, if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so you can subscribe the channel, and if you subscribe then don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. Your question is, who introduced GST first in the world? A option is France, B option is China, C option is India, and D option is USA. So first time GST is introduced in the world by the country France. That is option A is the right answer, and France introduced GST in the year 1954, right? Next question is, which country is India that implementing GST? इंडिया कौन से नंबर की कंट्री बनी थी जीएसटी को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए? योर ए ऑप्शन इज 160th, बी ऑप्शन इज 161st, सी ऑप्शन इज 159th, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज 158. So the right answer is option B, that is 161st. Next question is, GST in India is based on the model of which country? Your A option is Russia, B is Japan, D option is Canada, and D option is Germany. So the right answer will be option C, that is Canada. Next question is, which of the following constitutional amendment bill for GST was introduced in the parliament? First option is 121st constitutional amendment bill, B option is 135th, C option is 122nd, and last option is 120th constitutional amendment bill. So right answer will be option C, that is 122nd constitutional amendment bill. Next question is, under which constitutional amendment act was GST introduced in India? Your A option is 100th constitutional amendment act, B option is 101st constitutional amendment act, C option is 102nd constitutional amendment act, and last option is 105th constitutional amendment act. So right answer is option B, that is 101st constitutional amendment act in the year 2016. Next question is, when was the GST bill passed by the parliament? A option is 9th August 2015, B option is 7th September 2017, C option is 6th July 2014, and D option is 8th August 2016. So right answer is option D, that is 8th August 2016. Next question is, when did the president give his assent to the GST bill? A option is 8th September 2016, B is 5th August 2015, C option is 9th September 2016, and last option is 8th August 2016. So right answer is option A, 8th September 2016. Next question is, in India GST became effective from? A option is 1st March 2017, B option is 1st April 2017, C option is 1st May 2017, and last is 1st July 2017. So right answer is option D, that is 1st July 2017. Next question is, which state became the first state of India to ratify GST bill? A option is Jharkhand, B is Punjab, C option is Goa, and D option is Assam. So right answer is option D, that is Assam. Next question is, which is the first state in India to pass the GST bill? A option is Telangana, B is Kerala, C option is Uttar Pradesh, and D option is Rajasthan. So right answer is option A, that is Telangana. Next question is, which was the last state or UT of India to implement the GST bill? First one is the Assam, right? And first state to pass the GST bill is Telangana. So you have to tell which was the last state or UT of India to implement the GST. Your A option is Punjab, B is Telangana, C option is Jammu and Kashmir, and D option is Kerala. So right answer will be option C, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, which of the following tax has been abolished by the GST? A option is service tax, B is wealth tax, C option is income tax, and D option is corporation tax. So the right answer is option A, that is service tax. Next question is, when was the GST council set up? A option is 12th September 2016, B is 10th August 2017, C option is 11th September 2015, and last option is 19th November 2014. So right answer is option A, that is 12th September 2016. Next question is, the headquarters of GST council is located at? A option is New Delhi, B is Mumbai, C option is Noida, and D option is Ranchi. So right answer is option A, that is New Delhi. Next question is, when is GST day celebrated in India? Your A option is 1st July, B is 2nd July, C option is 3rd July, and last is the 5th July. तो हमने प्रीवियस ही किया, दैट इज द जीएसटी को इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया था इंडिया में फ्रॉम द 1st July 2017. सो ऑन द 1st July जीएसटी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज आई स्टैंड फॉर इन IGST? A option is intra, B is international, C option is integrated, and D option is internal. So right answer will be option C, that is integrated. It means integrated goods and service tax. Next question is what kind of a tax is GST? GST एक किस तरह का टैक्स है? A option is direct tax, B is indirect tax, C option is income tax, and D option is value tax. So right answer will be option B, that is indirect tax. Next question is who is called the father of GST in India? A option is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, B is Manmohan Singh, C option is Indira Gandhi, and D option is Arun Jaitley. So right answer will be option A, that is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question is who is the chairman of the GST Council? A option is Defense Minister, B is Health Minister, C is Education Minister, and D option is Finance Minister. So right answer will be option D, that is Finance Minister. जो इंडिया का फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर होता है एट प्रेजेंट, वो जो है चेयरमैन बनता है जीएसटी काउंसिल का, और जीएसटी काउंसिल का हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड है इन न्यू दिल्ली में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज द फर्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ जीएसटी काउंसिल? ए ऑप्शन इज सुषमा स्वराज, बी इज अमित शाह, सी ऑप्शन इज मनमोहन सिंह, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज अरुण जेटली. जो फर्स्ट चेयरमैन थे जीएसटी काउंसिल के वो थे अरुण जेटली, उस टाइम के फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वाज द फर्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ जीएसटी ड्राफ्ट? A option is Asim Das Gupta, D is Mohan Prakash, C option is Rahul Kumar Jain, and D option is Rahim Das Gupta. So right answer is option A, that is Asim Das Gupta. ये जो है वेस्ट बंगाल के फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर होते थे और इनकी जो है अध्यक्षता में, इनकी अंडर हिज चेयरमैनशिप जो है अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने कमेटी फॉर्म की थी इन द ईयर 2000 में टू लुक इनटू द प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ जीएसटी मॉडल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंडिया जीएसटी मॉडल हैज हाउ मेनी रेट स्ट्रक्चर? A option is 3, B is 4, C option is 5, and D option is 7. So right answer is option B, that is 4. Next question is what is the fixed rates of GST? आपको जो है 4 जो फिक्स रेट्स हैं जीएसटी की वो बताने हैं. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज 5%, 12%, 18% एंड 28%. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज इंपॉर्टेंट, आपको अच्छे से याद रखने हैं ये रेट्स, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ जीएसटी? ए ऑप्शन इज RGST, AGST, MGST. इसी तरह आप वीडियो को पॉज करके बाकी सभी ऑप्शंस को जो है रीड आउट कीजिए एंड ट्राई टू गिव द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज CGST, SGST एंड IGST. अभी हम तीनों को देख लेते हैं, इनका मतलब क्या रहता है. सो देयर आर बेसिकली 4 टाइप्स ऑफ GST. IGST मीन्स इंटीग्रेटेड गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, एंड CGST मीन्स C का मतलब रहता है सेंट्रल गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, SGST means state goods and service tax, and last one is the UTGST. UT means Union Territory GST, right? Next question is what is the full form of CGST? So हमने previous ही किया. C का मतलब means central. It means इसकी full form आ जाएगी Central Goods and Service Tax. That is option C is the right answer. Next one is the what is the full form of UGST? So right answer will be option A, that is Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. Next question is how many indirect taxes and how much surcharge have been included under GST? A option is 17 indirect taxes and 23 surcharges. B option is 16 indirect taxes and 24 surcharges. C option is 15 indirect taxes and 22 rights. And last is the 19 indirect taxes and 25 rights. बहुत सारे जो है indirect taxes को मर्ज किया करके जो है मर्ज किया गया था GST में, और GST एक तरह का जो है indirect tax है. इस पर हमने previous MCQs किया. So right answer आएगा ऑप्शन A, that is 17 indirect taxes and 23 surcharges को जो है include किया गया था under GST, right? Next question is what is the total number of digits in GST registration? A option is 12, B is 13, C option is 14, and D option is 15. So right answer is option D, that is 15. Next question is under which article has GST been introduced in India? A option is Article 279, B option is Article 76, C option is Article 112, and last option is Article 331. And this question is also very important. जो GST था उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था अंडर आर्टिकल 279A, राइट. यहाँ पर अल्फाबेट A भी आएगा और ऑप्शंस में यही दिया हुआ है 279, सो इट विल बी द राइट आंसर, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु सजेस्टेड द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ GST इन इंडिया? A option is SK Dhar Committee, B option is Swaran Singh Committee, C option is Human Upliftment Service Committee, and D option is the Vijay Kelkar Committee. So right answer will be option D, that is the Vijay Kelkar Committee. Next question is in what ratio has the GST tax been divided between the center and the state? A option is 20:80, B is 30:70, C option is 40:60, and last one is the 50:50. So right answer will be option D, that is 50:50. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the session. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.